Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a Google form without the sign in requirements. So when the respondents need to fill in the Google form, they don't need to sign in into the Google account first. So it will be open even if they don't have a Google account. So what you need to do, let's try to create a blank form. Okay, the blank form will be added. Okay, so you need to go to the settings here, setting tabs, and click on the responses option. Click on the arrow down. Let's scroll down. So you need to make sure the collect email address here is on the do not collect option. So there are three options, but you need to make sure that this is the one you choose. And after that, scroll down again. Here, you need also to make sure that this is not turned on like this. So the respondent will not be required to sign in into their Google account. So you need to turn this off like this. Okay, so that's a tip for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.